even the best laid hands aren't enough to relieve the pain and stress of being on your feet all day. Stepping into the constantly warmed water, the massage rollers and bubble jets relieve your aching feet, improve circulation, or even adding salts while dissolving the day's tension and stress. The massage rollers smoothly and firmly target acupuncture points, and the bubble jets relax the soles of your feet, adding to the comfort. The RENPHO electric foot spa massager is ideal for young and old alike. The simple-to-use controls allow you to maintain the perfect temperature for up to an hour of relaxing massage. It's portable, easy to empty, and perfect for the couple who like to share everything.